Hi, this is Justice and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a blog website from scratch using Builderall platform. So we're gonna take this blank page like this to this beautiful website. Okay, so this is what we'll be creating today. Nice and beautiful, really nice. And this is for a female client, so as you can see the color matches. And if this is your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing. All right, and don't forget to like, comment, and if you find this platform interesting, you can check the link in the description below for your 7 days trial. All right, and let's check the mobile version as well. All right, and this is the mobile version. All right, and look really nice. Sometimes the way you see things on the desktop, when it comes to the mobile version, it changes a little bit, but this looks beautiful. All right, so let's dive into the video. All right, so when you log into your account, just click on the new website. So click blank layout clean. You have to view it, but I don't want to view it because it's gonna make the video take too long. So just go ahead and click edit. All right, so this is the page. That's the header, the footer, and your settings. So we have to work on the header menu. All right, because we have to create our home blog, contact forms, and resources, whatever you want to put on top of the header. So come down here to the plus sign, click it, click on menu, scroll down, and you can see all kinds of menus we have, like classic, we have anchor menu, dripping menu style, I mean a whole lot, but I like to use I like using classic. All right, so I will use classic. All right, so I'll just click on page 3. Okay, then you put it up here. All right, after doing that, you come down here. That's the blog sign, so you click on it. It's called blog manager. Okay, then you click add blog and confirm. You know why it's not allowing us? It wants us to save first. Okay, so we have to click save and name it blog website hub. All right, so send, save. All right, so now we can go back and do what we're trying to do. So click on the blog manager sign, click add blog, click on default, click save. All right, so there it is. So close this, and as you can see, now we have our blog default template that we're gonna be working on. All right, so this is what it is. So let's check out the menu. So now we have a home page, we're gonna have a news page and the blog page. All right, but right now we're gonna dive into home. All right, so this is our home page, but as you can see, I have deleted the menu that I chose before, just for you to know that you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, it's not like you have to do this and that's the way it's supposed to be. No, you can play with it, it's your choice. All right, so I don't want it anymore, but I'll choose another one, but not now, later on along the way. Okay, just for you to know that you can play with it, you can choose whatever you want. All right, so let's create our pages for the header menu. Okay, so to create your pages, you come here, click this, click default. Then as you can see, we have a news page and blog page already in the home. So you click add pages, You click blank page, blank, then you name it about, then you click confirm. Alright, so as you can see, it's here. So let's create another one, blank, then you name this contact, confirm. You can add whatever you want, like if you want resources or like, you know, tools, whatever pages you want, you just add it up. All right, it's time to create the legal pages. All right, so click add on the same menu, then this is your legal pages. Okay, so you click legal, then you click on disclaimer. When you put a mouse on it, you're gonna say disclaimer. All right, so this is really good when you're doing like affiliate marketing. You need to declare. All right, so as you can see, it says here already because it comes in the system already. Builderall, that's one thing I like about them. Everything is, you know, built in. All right, it's built already, so you don't have to worry. So you click confirm, but don't forget to edit the text, all right, to suit your website or to suit your business, whatever you know your website is all about. So the next one will be privacy policy. Click on that. It's written already, so confirm. And the next one, add, you want the terms of use. That's what I'm looking for, terms of use. All right, this is it, terms of use. You click it, it's written already, terms of use, website use. So you click confirm. All right, but like I said, you have to customize it and edit it to suit your website and your business. Okay, all right, so now it's time to customize the header. So let's dive back to home. So click on this icon and look for home. Click home. All right, so now we are back to home page. So we're gonna work on the header, like I said before, the body. Then after we go to the footer. Okay. All right. So first of all, we'll try and change the color of the header. Okay. So click it and right click, click appearance, headers, setting sign, color. As you can see, it's white now. That's the background, so we're gonna change it. So you can use this purple, you can use blue, red, orange, green, whatever you want. Okay, you cut the in. So let's see this. The banner that I'm gonna use for the body is it has a little bit of purple and you know, pink color. So I'll go with, I believe, let's see this. Let's see that purple. All right. I mean, you can choose whatever you want, but I'm just trying to choose something. Okay. So let's pretend I'm using this. Okay. It's like I'm creating something for a female client. So that's why I'm trying to choose that color. All right. Okay. Then you click save and save. Okay. So now we're gonna have to work on the menus. Okay. So you click the plus sign. You click menu. Then you have to pick one of the menus. I like to go with the classic menus. So I'll click page 1 under classic. All right. Then what I'll do, I will just right click and click edit menu items. So add link, you don't use that, but it's just the pages. If you want to add pages and web address and document and pop-ups, this is what you're gonna use. Okay, and anchors and all that. But we're not gonna use that. Now we're trying to link our footer pages, I mean header pages. Okay, so let me cancel that, cancel this. So let's go back, right click, edit, then we'll go with this one, mine pages, because we want to link pages. Okay, so what do I want? I want home to be on there. I want blog, not the news page. News page, don't click that one. We're gonna work on that after. About, contact, disclaimer, privacy policy, terms of use. Click confirm. As you can see, they are showing. Alright, so this is what's gonna appear on your header. Then you click. Alright, so now I'm gonna move it up. Okay, let's move it a little close to this corner. Alright, yeah, and let's work on the text. So right click, appearance. So now we have to click this one. So we're gonna look for the text. So text menu, text color. Okay, then as you can see it's black, and over here too is black. So we're gonna change it to white. Okay, so it's gonna be more brighter on purple, on yeah, the purple color. All right, so purple or pink, whatever it is. Anyhow, so click OK, close it, then you move it a little down here. All right, so this is it. So now whenever you click on these menus, they're gonna take you to those to the page that is linked to it. So let's click save. Save. All right, so you can put your logo here. Okay, let's create something quick for the logo. All right, so click on the plus sign, click on text, and let's use H2 to create something like that. So remember the name was what you call it? Oh, sorry, go back. I deleted it by mistake. So let's use H2. All right, so double click and double click, or you can, yeah, double click and click delete. So you test so let's type what's it called, blog ah all right, so let's choose font style for it. So down here we're gonna choose something cool from here. My internet is a bit down, so it's making things a bit funny, but I'll try and choose something cool. All right, I want something fancy. Let's see this. Yeah, something like that is good for a logo. So close it, close, and click, minimize it. Oh, sorry, minimize it. What the heck? Click it and minimize it. Or you can right click, test, close, close, close. Oh, my internet is not good at all. Okay, click it, then minimize. Yeah, click it, and Yeah. Okay. Then right click and center into the right click, center. Right. So then we bring it up here. So we're pretending this is our logo now. Alright. So let's change the color. I'll change the text color. So let's try blue. Yeah. Blue. Yeah. This. Alright. So this is our logo now. Save it and save. Close. Alright. So now we're gonna work on our banner, which is the body. Alright. Alright. So click on the plus sign, banner, banner. Let's look for something. Alright, let's pretend we're gonna use this for our banner. Alright, close it. Okay, move it down. Okay, so let's check it out. See, beautiful. Okay, so let's move it down a bit because we're gonna put something under here. So click and move this down. As you can see, now we have a little room here. So click and move it down again. We have a little room. So you keep doing that until you get more room, because I'll put down something down there. So do more. Whatever I want to put, I want to put what people will benefit from our website. Okay, that's what I'm going to put here. So we have room. I guess I need to make more room. Okay, so you keep doing down until you get the space that you want for whatever you want to put under your home page banner. Okay, so the home page is to entice people to, stick to your site or to keep coming. All right. Okay, so let's go back and go to banner, and what I want is benefit. So let's click benefit. So let's try and find something like a little template I can work with. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, so close it. All right. So as you can see now, our footer is down here, and this is our benefit page, but it's inside the first banner, so we're gonna move it down. So click, always don't click in here, just go a little bit where you can click on the empty page, then you push it down. Okay, keep pushing until it's gonna go right under the banner. So how do you know? You're gonna put it on the mouse on just to see if you can see the line. It's not down there yet, so we keep moving down. See, now the line is right here, so I'm gonna move it a little bit up. Yeah, so this space is okay. Besides, it's white, so it's hard to notice. And when you go live, these lines will go away. Okay, so don't worry much about that. So I'm pretending like this is what we're gonna use. But you know what? If you don't want this, you can create your own banner and put stuff that you want on it. So let's say for example, now we want something down here. I'll go down to the plus and I'll put a banner. Let's see, let's choose this blank page banner. As you can see, okay, so I went to this, okay, undo. First of all, let's save it, whatever we've done. Save. Yeah, it's taking time to load. All right, so let's move this a little down. So let's pretend we want to put a banner. So click here, there you go. You click on the boxes and lines, okay? That you have more control. All right, so let's use this one, then close this. So as you can see, this is the line, okay, and that is the line. So you can just enlarge it, enlarge, because remember, this is a website builder, so it's not like WordPress. So everything is built on banner. Like WordPress, everything is done already, so you don't see it. But with this, you have to create things yourself, and you have control over whatever you are doing. But with WordPress, whatever it comes with, I believe you cannot do much sometimes unless you have premium themes. Okay, so now we're gonna change the background. Okay, so I'll go appearance, then color, then instead of blue, we'll go with white. All right, yes, so whatever we put on is gonna look nice. So click save, save again, then you close this. All right, so now let's choose our banner now. So all right, so instead of that, what we will do now, so this, so you can choose to put whatever banner you want, like what I put here, okay, all these things, and this, you can create your own. So what you do, you just go back to the plus sign, and let's say you want the image, then you click image, okay, then you click on it, then boom, it appears, okay, so it's on the banner, okay. So let's say you want a test, then you click test, then for instance you want to use h3, then you click, then you put it here. So whatever test you want to put, then you put your test, okay. And let's say, oh okay, with the image, you just double click, then it takes you back to your computer, like stock page or wherever you have your photos, okay. You double click and it takes you down there. All right, when you double click, it's gonna just work. So let's say you have your test, you want to test something, you double click and you delete this, then you type inside. And let's say you want what gallery, is the same thing you're gonna do. If you want contact form, email form, so let's say this, then you click that, okay, then you come back here after you do whatever you want to do. Please configure the, yeah, they want you to configure. We are not ready to configure. You have to do all your, you know, email setup stuff. We don't have that ready yet. So you see, so whatever I have here, let's assume you don't have this, okay, or you don't have that. You can create your own, and this is how you create it, okay. All right, but I'll delete it and I'll put something else, okay. So let me delete. You click, you delete, click it, delete, click, and you delete. So what I'm gonna do, go back to plus, click gallery, and let's see, can choose this, okay. All right, so this is beautiful, eh? Move it down, okay. So you can enlarge it up to here, and you can enlarge this one too. But the more you enlarge, it make the picture look funny. So it's better to squeeze it in, okay. So you don't have too much funny looking pictures. Close this. It won't ask to configure. We are not ready. All right. So you put it down right under here, okay. Then to configure, so you right click on any of the pictures, then you go edit, okay. Then if you want 3 instead of 4, you minimize, okay, in the row. Then you go to images, okay. So this is where you're gonna, yeah, then you click, then you work on your images, the image that you want to use. So when you click it, it's gonna take you right into your computer image stock page, okay. So I don't want to go through all that because it's gonna be too much, and I'm trying to make this video short. All right, so the last thing you would like to put down is let's see, what's this? Okay, that's the footer, and trying to move it over here. Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna create more room so I can put email form down. All right, so I'll create more room so I can put the email form, okay. So push this down, you click, then you push it down. All right, you can see now we have more rooms. Then I'll click this and I'll push it a little closer down here, okay. Now, okay, so now we have more room here. So I'll choose my contact form or the email marketing form. So this is it. You click it, you choose, you have all kinds, but I'll go with this. Close it, then you push it down, okay, just so it doesn't go with this. Then this is what you use to capture your audience email informations, and this is good for email marketing. So whenever you post something, they will see it, okay. Okay. Right click and center. Right. Okay, so now if you want to configure, you just right click and you configure. That is when you've set up your email marketing form in Builder or mailing box or AWeber or whatever email platform you are dealing with. Okay, all right. So you click save and save. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna work on our footer. So click on your footer, right click, appearance, click on your edit style, then you click on this single background. Okay, that means everything will be on the same background. So once you click that, then you choose your color. It's white, so you white background now. So we're gonna choose here. Yeah, so we do that. Okay, so we go up. The color wouldn't be the same, but because the footer, for some strange reason, it has some weird taste to the color after, even though the color you choose might be the same. So don't worry too much about it. All right. Yeah, but the color is still the same. So you click save and save. All right. And you close it. Okay, so now it's time for the logo. So remember we have our logo here. So what we can do, you click it, Control C, then Control V. All right, so we just copy it, or you can right click. You can do right click. What is it? Yeah, right click, duplicate. Okay, right click and duplicate element. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna push it down. You know why I'm doing that? Because I don't want to, spend time doing it all over again. Okay, so this is the smart way of saving time. Yeah, what I'm doing, it might be a little time consuming, but sometimes choosing the color, the testing and all that, it's not something that can help. So you see, now we got it here. It's telling us we brought something new into the system, but we are okay with it. So let me move it a little down here. All right, so it's pink on purple. And remember, this is a female client, so you have to get something that will be, okay for females. If it's a male, I will choose like blue, black, or like green, stuff like that. So you save it and you save. Okay. So down here you can put your test. So you go here, click test. Let's choose H4. Yeah, H4 should be okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write my test and later I'll move it down. Okay, guys. Okay. So right click, test, color. Okay. We're gonna go with white. Okay. And close this. Alright. Or you can right click and center. Okay. Yep. And okay, let's see. I want to minimize the footer a little bit because it's too big. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, or just right click and center again. Alright, so here what you can do, okay, let me save first. Always remember to save. Okay. Alright. Down here we will put our social media handles. So we go to the plus sign and you go social, then it takes time to load something. Then we're gonna have to look for the settings. Now either you like this or the colorful ones. Okay, it's up to you. So for instance, let's go with either you like the full square, the square, it's the round, okay, or the square. This one is the square again, but another style. So you can choose all kinds of things. I like the round one. So click it, then you bring it down here. Okay, then you right click, you go edit, then the size you're gonna click and hold and reduce the size. All right, confirm, then you bring it down here. Okay, now we're gonna have to save and save. So you close it. So right click. Instead of editing to configure it, you have to do through image, which I don't know why. So it's image title and author image text. Then you put your link. Okay, if you want, then you click confirm. Then you go ahead. You can do Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I like YouTube a lot, or Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, so you can edit in whatever way you want. All right. Then when you're done everything, you click save. Then you click save. All right. So right now we are done with the front page. Okay. So like I said, this is just for this for educational purposes. So you can change it everything here. You can change everything the way you want. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna go here. Then we'll be working on all these things: the news page, blog, about, contact, disclaimer, privacy policy, and terms of website use. But the next thing to move on to is the news page. All right. So as you can see, your header is not changed. Footer is not changed. The only thing is this. You're gonna have to reduce it a bit. All right. This I don't like it. Let me delete it. So you click and you delete that thing. Okay. All right. So let's see. Move this up a bit, or you can delete it and just put whatever email form you want. Okay, this I don't want it, so let's delete it, and I'll choose something else. Let's reduce this a bit. Okay, no, delete it now. Oh, this is the this is the comment section. So if you want people to come and comment, then you set up that. Okay, so you can go to the plus sign and look for all that, but I don't like comments on my site because people abuse it. Okay, people abuse it, so I don't want it on my website. So I'll click it and delete it, and take this and delete. And by the way, now people don't even comment really because they don't have time to be chatting and chatting. Some do, but majority from my research, it looks like people don't have time anymore for these things. All they want is I'm looking for this, I come, I find out on your website. If I have to buy something, I buy it, and off I'm gone. Only on social media handle websites, yeah, people do that. But on websites, yes, those days are gone. Anyhow, so I deleted it. Let me save it and save. Okay. So this, I'll change the background color, and you see there's something here. So right, you just put it to the corner. You see this is text box, second box. So push it to the last box, right click, and we'll go with oh crap. Let's go with, you see, I'll choose a different color. That that we'll go with something lighter. See? So now you can see, or it's good to go with something of the normal color. But hey, let me keep everything pink, pink or purple, whatever it is. Yeah. So we'll go with this or that. I believe this is okay. So click save and close it. And what's next? Yeah. This, the second layer, I would right click, appearance. Holy crap. A lot of stuff. I don't like messing up with default, but this is too much. So you see, you have to keep checking to see what you can do. So click on this and color. No, border. Click on this. Let's see something. Let's see. Okay, you can go with this as well. Okay, or that. Yeah, this one is okay. Then okay, then okay. Then you save. Then you save. Then you work on the button. Right click. Appearance. Wow, this look cool. Wow, how come it's not saving? Anyway, go back again and save. Save. Alright, close. So this is like this is Builderall doing commercial, and if somebody buy through this link, you're gonna benefit from it. Okay, that is if you have signed for affiliate program. Alright, so that's another way of making money. Okay, and this is a search. When people come in, they can search for your category of blogs, and this you can configure. You right click and you put your affiliate link, but I believe it comes with it. But to be on the safer side, you can right click and action, then you put action. All right, so let's see if everything is okay. So this this is these are the articles that we have already. It comes automatically with the template. Take two action. These are the recent posts that comes with the templates. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. But later when you start posting or creating your own blogs, then you just have to delete everything. But we'll work on that later. All right. So how do you want your stuff? You want your date to show, the author to show, and the titles. Normally, I don't like messing up with defaults. Okay, but I would like to change something here. So configure. I don't want my date to show, okay? Because sometimes when people realize that your article is a bit old, they bounce off. They don't want to read it, okay? So I don't want my date to show, okay? But author, yeah. Category, yeah. Okay? Tags, you don't really need it here. So confirm. As you can see, I have categories, so people can click through and go straight to. Let's say my first category is affiliate marketing. The second one is mommy's blog. The next one is like buy your whatever, or the other one will be YouTube videos. It's up to you. Remember, this is like a female client, so things will be a bit different. All right, so this is the setup. You can do a whole lot, but like I said, I don't like messing up too much with defaults. Okay, default template, I like to keep things the way it is. All right, but you can right click again and go to theme. Okay, it's taking time to load. All right, so categories, you can change the font, okay, and the size, the font style, the size, everything you can change. Let's say you can make this size, reduce it to 15, so it's down, and you can change this. Oh, for some reason this thing is too slow. Montserrat regular, okay, and you see, bam, it changes, and spacing is okay. You don't have to worry much about it. The color, if you want, let's say red for your title, blue for your title, but hey, I like this. I like the black. It looks good on blogs. and the rest you don't have to worry. The days we don't worry because we took it off, and everything we can choose the same on the red regular. Okay, whatever you keep, just let it flow. Okay, if you keep this, let everything be the same style, then the other, and everything you can work with it. But like I said, I don't like messing up too much with these things, so I close it. All right, then right click again, right click, then center tag, all these things. Okay, but like I keep saying, I don't like messing up. So for now, let's assume this is how I want my news page to look like. Meaning when people come to your site, this is how the news feed gonna look like, or on your mobile version and everything. This is how everything gonna look like. Okay, so but we're gonna go and set up the mobile view, but now we're working on the desktop. Okay, all right, so we're done with it. So the next thing to move on, actually it will be better to work on the mobile version right away. So let's work it out. As you can see, so what you do, you click here and you click copy desktop. So this does the work for you in some way, not everything though, as you can see. So right here it didn't work for us, so we'll just do it ourselves. Push it down and push this in. All right, so this is it, your title and your menus. Okay, I mean the name of your blog site and your menu. All right, so let's see uh, this. Yeah, this will enlarge it a bit. Okay. Sometimes these things can give you a little bit of a hard time when you're trying to resize it. Okay, yeah, finally I got it. All right, so you're gonna have more as you begin to post a lot. Okay, and this we're gonna move this up here and right click center. We're gonna move this in here. Now we're gonna move this. Actually, yeah, okay, let's move this. Then this is the last thing. All right, okay, or you can do either or. You can just move this up and bring this down. But it looks a little funky, so we'll bring this down and push this in. Okay, and or right click and center. Right, this right click and center. Okay, this we have to minimize first. Oh shit. Yeah, then right click and center. Alright, so then you click save and save. Alright, so that's what you have to do. Okay, and I forgot to do the home settings like that, so let's go back to home. That's one thing that sucks about page builders. Okay, in WordPress everything now flows. So let's click on the setting adjustments and you click copy desktop and it's gonna go in. Oh, that means it's not. Anyhow, we'll work it out ourselves. Yeah, on the mobile version, I like to put the email form first. All right, and then you just have to whatever you don't need, you just right click and click hide. You see the eye, you click hide, so it goes. Because if you click delete, it's gonna delete on desktop. So don't click delete. You just right click and click the eye, then it goes away. So that means it's still there on the desktop. So right now we're gonna work on the benefit. Bring it down. Let me put it here. So this will go up. Okay. Then we put our gallery here. Reduce it a bit to fit inside. Reduce it a bit to fit inside. Alright. So let's pretend this is it. This is our home page. And like I said, you see how I struggle a lot? And that's why you don't have to choose some crazy theme or banner. Work with simple stuff. Okay. And if you're doing Amazon affiliate program, if you're on it, these things they check. You know, like when you have so much stuff on your, you know, uh, home page, you know, that means you will not get they will not get much attention, and people will have to scroll a whole lot before they can see their commercials before the footer. Okay, something simple. And the image frame, don't put too much photos inside, like 1 2 3 mask, you know, just keep things simple. Okay, so I will save it. Save. One thing I forgot to do, and always go back to your desktop and see if something is erased. As you can see, everything is the same because we right click and hide stuff. We didn't delete it. Okay, so this, everything is still the same. There's something wrong with this thing. Yeah, right here is okay. Alright, even I can choose a white background, but it's okay. I will just keep it here. We don't really need it anyhow. Oh, then so click save and so let's go and check the mobile version. Let's check the mobile version, see if we got something. Alright, so everything is still the same. So go back to desktop. Actually, let's check the news page if it changes after we finish the mobile version. No, everything is still the same. Okay. Alright, so the next thing to work on is your blog page. Alright. Alright. So when you are on it, the color changes. Okay. Alright. Everything look good. You can choose to use a different email form, or you can right click and configure. Okay. Like I said previously, I don't like messing up too much. So configure. I don't like the date to show, but apart from that, everything is okay. How many do you want? If you want 3 news to show, if you want 3 blogs, that's fine. If you want 4, 5, 6, it's up to you, but always keep it short. 3 is enough. Okay. So click confirm. That's why we have only 3 here. Only 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. All right. And the rest, don't mess up with anything. Don't touch it. So let's check on the mobile version. As you can see, hold on. Let's clear this thing off here a little bit. Okay. And remember, we're working with purple. Where is it? So let's right click and see color. Color. Yeah, this look alright. So save and save. So let's check on the mobile version. See, mobile version, mobile version, mobile version. Alright. So this, that thing I don't like it. Click on it. Anyhow, let's move on. This is how it's gonna look. Okay, not everything that you have on desktop will appear on the mobile version, so take note for that. All right, because the mobile version has limit. Okay, so then what next? Like I said, I don't like messing up too much. So you go down here, up here, and click about. So you're gonna work on the about and contact and disclaimer and all these menus. Okay. Alright, so I'll work on the about section. So you click on home icon and you click on about. You can do that for all the pages, okay? About, contact, disclaimer, and all those things. But I'll just do about, then we move on to, posting blogs, because if not, they're gonna take too long. Already the video is long. So in this section, you can create your own, banner. Then after you bring your text in. So let's say, for instance, you go up here, you put your, click your boxes and lanes. All right, then you put this here. Okay, then you enlarge it. Okay, then when you're done, okay, so for instance, let's say you enlarge, and you keep moving, and after you put what do you call it, your image, you put your image here. Let's say, for instance, let's say this, let's minimize it. Okay, assume this is the size of your image, but I'm believing that it's gonna be longer than this. All this gonna move down. Okay, so we're gonna have like a full page. Then you double click this, then your photo will come. Then after you go up here, you click test, and you're gonna test everything in Word in Microsoft Word. Okay, you type everything in Word, which is Microsoft. Then it makes things easier. Okay, then let's say this is a bit longer, and this is up to here. Okay, then you post your tests, everything about you and a bit about your company or program, and you put your email address, contact, and everything. All right, if you do that, you can even choose to delete the contact, but hey, just leave it. It's choices. All right, so you do that and everything, move on. But I'll just go and choose some in the the template folder from Builderall, just for the training sake. Okay, I mean, for the purpose of training, I just want to move fast, so I click and delete this. All right, so I'm gonna click this and move this down a bit. I'll click this and move this down a bit. Then I'll go up here, then I'll click banner. Oh, sorry, go back to plus sign, click the plus sign, click on banner. Okay, the internet is a bit slow. All right, so I'll choose something for about us. You see this, so click it. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing something for a female, so I'll try. All this section is about. Okay, so let's assume we're gonna use this, so let me just push this here, because we're doing it for a female client, like I've been saying. All right, so this saves time. Okay, then I'll close this. All right, push this down to that. All right, you can see the internet is so slow. All right, and push this down a bit. Wow, it fit perfect. All right, so I'm gonna change the color background because it's not good when you compare to this. All right, so you click appearance, you go color and background. Let's see if I choose this. All right, it's not working. Let's go. All right, so I guess, okay, I'm gonna have to choose this first. Click this first. All right, then you go to color, that, then you choose something lighter. Okay, because this is a bit dark, so you see, yeah, it worked perfect. Then our text, see, now it blends. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to move this down a bit. Okay, you can choose to yeah, I'll minimize this and go here. All right, then what I'm gonna do, the test, I'll go, let's see if I can do this color. I'll go this yeah, this look better. So then we come back here. Okay, right click again, this color, click this, then you go bam, click that. Yeah, okay, so remember this test is in Portuguese, so, or I think Portuguese or Brazilian, they are all the same anyways. That's why you see a lot of corrections down there. Then with the name, you go back again, right click, test. All right, then you click on color, the name. Okay, I wish I can do something different for the name. Yeah, this is good. Okay, all right, so as you can see, it blends perfect. Then you save. But in your case, guess what, you're gonna have to double click this. When you double click, then you copy your text from Word about you, then you paste it in here. All right, and whatever message you have here too. Okay, yeah, so don't if you're gonna use their template, please remember to do those corrections. Okay, yeah, because this is just an example. All right, okay, all right, so now that everything is done and saved, what we're gonna do, let me save one more time because the internet is a bit funny today. So when it's like that, I try to save 2 times. All right, so now, like I said, you're gonna have to move on and do all this. All right, and the legal stuff, please try disclaimer, privacy, terms of website use, do your necessary adjustment, and if you have somebody who can draft a good script for you, you go and or if you can outsource it, just do it. It's really, really important. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna check our mobile version. Okay, so as you can see, it's like this. So what you have to do, you click the adjustment item tool, then this is the best it can do for us. So what we can do now, we're gonna have to move our stuff down a bit. Let me move it out a bit, and I'll work this thing first. It's a bit funny, but what can you do? It is what it is. I can put this CEO business. As you can remember, like before, this thing was down. Okay, but like I said, mobile version, it does things a bit different, but at the end of the day, your customers or your readers, they just wanna get your content. The fancy and all these things, they don't really care much. All right, so click this and click it. Then this is your test. As you can see, we have too much gap, so you don't click here, but click a little bit out, because remember, this is a banner. Okay, this is a banner, so we work inside the banner, then you bring all your stuff inside the banner. Okay, so in that case, you can change this and it will not affect this or that. All right, so click and push up, and you keep doing until you see the text from above coming. You see, now it's almost there. Good, so we'll keep it like that, and this is for our about page. Okay, then you save. All right, so let's post the blog. So you come to blog manager icon, click it, click blog manager. These are the blogs that came with the Builderall blog template. Okay, you don't need those. So what will happen is later when you post a lot of blogs, then you delete all this, because you don't want this to be under your blogs. Okay, you don't want the whole world to see this. Anyhow, so this is published news, whatever you publish already. Okay, and draft. If you draft something, save it. If not, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay, yeah, if you don't save, you don't save. Schedule, if you want to schedule and let it work for you while you're on vacation, that's good. And categories and tags. All right, so now we're gonna click add news to publish a news. All right, so Internet is a bit funny, so click here. So we're gonna name it how to blog and make money. All right, so this by default you cannot change it as the date. So we go here, you click it, then you put the mouse on, then that written text will go away. Then you type the name. So let's say Sally Smith is the author. All right, then select category. So this will be under either blogging or make money. Okay, so I believe blogging will be the best. Blogging. All right, that's the category you're gonna put in, and this is for you. Okay, and the people, when they come to your site, it's gonna be easy for them. Then tags, we're gonna use blogging. I'm just giving you some SEO tips. Then how to make money online. Okay, then you put your mouse on, then when it shows the text, then you click. This is SEO stuff. All right, so now this is your image, video, GIF. Okay, add GIF, and time settings, add lines, and some stars, favorites, okay, and stuff like that. All right, so we're gonna use this. You use this if you have YouTube and stuff to embed. All right, so it's just working and doing its thing. So it's just configuring the image. So we click this, okay, then we confirm. Oh geez, cancel, that's not what I want. Click this. It's just configuring the image. Tip 2, let's go. It's configuring the image. Right, so you click this, we're gonna use this image, then you confirm, bang. So just all right, so with the image, if you want it big or small, it's up to you. So I'll just right click, image properties, and enlarge, right click and enlarge, or whatever way your computer tells you to do so. All right, I like it small, so it's not gonna make your site take too long to load. Okay, so I go with this. If you want big, you can choose big, but as you can see, this is not the best picture. So then you see the mouse here, the cursor here. Okay, click the mouse here, so you see the icon down here. All right, so enter, just so you can have enough space. Then what you're gonna type, let's say the whole content is about 1,200 or 2,000 or whatever, or they say 1,002 minimum, but hey, if you have great content, even if it's 500 and the reader got what he or she is looking for, you satisfy your reader and they'll come back again. Okay, so let's pretend this is the entire 1,002 test. Okay, then at the end of the day, when everything is good and you are happy with it, then you click publish news, all right, so it's just doing this thing. Oh, okay, all right, so let's find our news. As you can see, this is our news. Okay, our blog. So this is the sharing image, so let's change this. Then we're going to use the same thing that we were working on. So let's assume it's this. or let's assume we're gonna use, yeah, it's this. Let's assume it's this. Then we click confirm. All right, so you can see. All right, so now this is what you want people to see. All right, then all right, and you can see it here too. Since we've posted a blogger now we've posted blog, so we're gonna delete the blog post that came with the template. Okay, so we go back to blog manager, then you click this, then you delete. Delete, confirm. You see, we deleted one, and now we have our blog showing now. And I put on the date back just to test something. All right, so delete and delete. All right, so now, yeah, the reason why, because we have only 3, and I want as our blog that we just posted to show. All right, so now I have only 2. Let's go back and see now we have our blog showing. Okay, yeah, so that's why I said that when you post, even now I can delete this one too. We don't need that because now you have your own post. Okay, how to blog and make money. All right, so you save it and you save it. All right, okay, so now this is your category. This is the category that came with the template. These are all examples. So when people launch on your site, sometimes they'll be like, oh, okay, what do you blog about? They can just come here and say, oh, about blogging, about affiliate marketing, about you know, how to make money, you know, and SEO, search engine optimization, about softwares to use to build a blog site. All right, stuff like that. Okay, so this you're gonna right click and configure into your, you know, Facebook. Okay, this is for Facebook, so you can right click and configure it. But when you have your Facebook down here, you don't need to worry. All right, so now you're gonna go to preview, and this is it live. So let's click and read more, but now we can because this site is not published yet. Okay, so cancel and return and saved. Save, always save. All right, okay, and now we're gonna go back home, you know, but before I'll remind you again, please work on these 3. These are serious stuff. This you can choose to delete it, because if you have this, you have your contact in there, everything is okay. You have to disclaim, okay, I mean disclose your claims and all that. Okay, and this one too, especially when you're selling stuff online, and privacy policy, you need it, whether affiliate marketing or what you need. All right, so we're gonna go back home, and I hope you like what you've seen, and please, if you like what you've seen, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and above all, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, there are more videos to come, and I hope you will stick around for more videos. And if this is your first time, you know, watching this, I encourage you to subscribe. And if you don't have Builderall, please, it's a great platform. Please click the link below in the description and try for 7 days or buy it. There are 2 plans, which is the $29.90 and $69.90. Okay, the 69 is the premium, and 29 is just the, you know, the average plan, you can do a whole lot. Okay, all right, so thank you once again, and have a great day. Bye bye.